To set Air View or S Pen Hover to pointer only on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap S Pen. Next, tap Air View, and then select pointer only. To see how this feature works, we will try it while previewing a photo. To do so, open Gallery app, open a photo, remove your S Pen from your phone, now hover your S Pen on a photo to point things out. Given to the function, using pointer only mode lets you see just the pointer without pop-ups getting in the way. It's especially useful during presentation or when showing something to others, allowing you to guide their attention without interruption. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.